Hello, in this video I will teach you how to use OBS. The first thing what you actually need to know that OBS is a open broadcasting software. It's free. You can download it on any site, Bing, Microsoft Edge or Google. How do I actually use this? This is a great question which always every starting YouTuber are asking. The first thing what you need to know, or second thing, is that how to optimize your OBS. This is a really important step because a lot of YouTubers, as I can see, can't optimize OBS and they have really laggy videos. So as you can see, I'm using window capture, but you can actually use browser to capture your Google site. As you can see, color source, display capture, which is really actually good if you're using a PC, but if you're using a laptop, use window capture. So if you actually did it, what you can actually add to this, you can add web camera, which is named video capture device. You can add text like anything you want, like that, and you can discard this and you have text. So if you want to like more advanced tutorial, you can use scenes. Like you are recording this, you can fade away. As you have over there are settings, and this is, as I said, this is most important thing in all OBS. So you can there change language which you are using to operate OBS, theme, which changes your font, colors, etc. But genre is not that important as video settings or audio. So as you can see, this is resolution, base canvas resolution. You don't have care about this, you care about this. If you want to record really good, you have to have, let's say like that. If you want to have high resolution videos, then change it to high resolution pixels, right there. Here you can choose filter, which makes you more like Lanchas is the most sharp, that will like don't blur so much things. Change your audio. If you're recording on OBS, your audio should be really good because audio is the first thing you should care in video. If you don't have good audio, you're out. Basically, you're out. So how do I do it? The first thing you can do is change your microphone. Turn on your microphone here. So there will be how loud you want your microphone. If you get here, it will be really loud. Like here, it will be normally loud. Over here, you have audio that it's from your PC or laptop. That like you're playing any video game, it's like you shoot something that will be louder, or I will tell like that. The second thing what you can actually do it is you use Audacity like I'm doing right now, which is really easy to use. Over there you can use like it will make your audio really better